always on go, ayy. And I never question if she was the one, I already know.
What's poppin', T Squad? It's your girl Tiana. I'm back again with another banger. And today's banger, I'll be making an intro. Amazing intro, a bomb intro, a lit intro for the girls and for the guys. Do like switch it up if you want to. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get it a big thumbs up, and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. So let's get into this banger. I'm gonna show y'all a little video of the intro before I make it. So look. Period. It's good. So let's get into the banger. So first we're gonna make your YouTube name and your Instagram name. You can do Snapchat and stuff, but I'm doing Instagram and YouTube. So go to Fonto and click. But first, if you want to make it, go to pick art and go all the way down. So you're just gonna go to pick art, open it up, go to the plus, and then go to the bottom and go to color background and then push on the first one, then go to next and save. Done. And don't worry about that. So next you're gonna go to Fonto and go to the bottom to the camera and go to photo albums, allow it, and then go to the first one. Done. Okay, so now we're going to add text. Just click on it. It's going to go to add text by itself. So go to add your name. So my name is TheRealTianaTv. Go to font and go to, I think it was C. Go to C and go down to this one. And then put it in there. Go to style. I'm going to do pink, but you could do green, blue, black, purple. This is pink right here. There's red, but I'm doing pink. This pink is kind of cute. It's like, why is it not darker? Okay, we're just gonna go to pink, go to stroke, and go to black. I want to go to black. And go to width, go to the bottom where it says width, and go to 10. Go to style on top and click the second A. The second A is at the bottom. And click done. Oh god, I messed up. I put TEV there. You can size it up. And then click it again. Click and add text. Type your name again. TheRealTianaTv. And click on style, pink, stroke, black, and go to 10. And go to style, and go to first A. And now we're going to change the font. Go to D, and go to this one right here. And then we're just going to make it a little small for it to go right here. And click the bottom right corner and click save.
Get this 2000.
Oh my god, here go ad. Let the ad play. And then click the X. Then do it again. Save as PNG. Done. And then erase it by tapping it and swiping and click delete. Do it again. And now clicking your Instagram name. Mine is dark skin _ Tiana. There. And like zoom it up so you can see it. And then go to style, pink, and then stroke black. Go to 10, style, go to second one, second A, and click done. Make a little, and then tap on it again and do the same thing. We're just gonna do the same process mostly. Go like that, swipe it a little bit over. Style, stroke black, 10, style, that, and then change the font. Go to D. No, it's C. The first one was C. The second one is D. The first one, change it. Go to style for the first one and then change it to C. There. Now you see the difference. and make this one bigger. And I just messed up again because I put a L instead of a D. Okay, there. Now we can put this one on here. But I think I'm gonna do it a little to the bottom, right here. That's cute. So go to the bottom, save as PNG. Okay, and let's now get into the photo grid. Okay. Go to grid, allow, and then go. I already did it, so just go like this. Oh my God. Tap on it 3 times and then go to next. Got it. And go to ratio. Go to the 16 to 9. You can change the border. I'll show you right now. Go to border and just go all the way to 0 on both of them. Just swipe. You can erase the photo grid by tapping on it and going to X and do this and then save it. I already did that, so I don't have to do that again. So do the same thing for your other picture. I did the picture, so I went like this. Tap it 3 times. Go to ratio. Go to the YouTube one. Border. Swipe it. And then tap on this. Check. Save. So after you did that, now let's go into the CapCut period and go tap on new project, settings, allow it, okay, and go to the 2 pictures or video that you saved. Do that, and then let me do my other one. Period. Like this. If it's your first time using this, it's gonna go through the whole process, but don't worry, I got you. So now, since you got all this like this, change it to 3 seconds. Just tap on it and like change to 3 seconds. Both of it. Don't just leave one. Oh my God. 3 seconds. Okay, there. Both 3 seconds. Okay. It just needed me to do that. Okay, then when you're doing that, tap the black thing and delete it. You don't need that. And now go to the bottom where it says overlay. Tap on that and do add overlay. Type in your YouTube name. Tap it and then put your YouTube name where you want it to be at. So I'm putting it right here. At the top. Now from the top, make it drop. Okay, I'm not about to start that. So this is YouTube. So it's gonna stay like that. And now we're just gonna go to the Instagram. This is Instagram. Add overlay and go to my Instagram name. And my Instagram name is gonna go at the bottom. Right here. And now I'm gonna add the Instagram logo. I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. Yes, it's this one. So I'm gonna put it like on the top, probably on the top, so everybody could see it. So like right here, no, right here. I think it's cute like that. No, let's look a little over. Right here and a little bigger. No, smaller than that. Like that. I don't think I had anything for that one. So now I'm going to go to my butterflies and add them in there. Make them small, because you don't need some big butterflies. And I'm putting my name a little over. So like right there. Add overlay again and go to the next one. And zoom it out. And then there, boom, you got it. Okay, so I think I'm done now. So now I'm going to go and add in all my little animations and stuff. So for my animations, I'm going to go to wobble Swipe all the way down and go to wobble. Everything is wobble. Animation. Wobble. Do this again. Wobble. Do this one again. Wobble. Okay, there. Where is my... Okay, there it is right here. Did I do this one? No, I don't think I did. Okay, let's go to animation. And go to wobble. Okay. My other name. Swipe and go to wobble. Everything is at wobble. So let's look at it. Wobble. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and tap on our picture, our intro picture, and go to the backspace. You see the arrow to your left, tap on that and go to effect and go down to where you see blur, like that. We gotta add in more stuff, so yeah, we're not quite done. So blur, look how it looks with blur, like that. So now we're gonna add in our pictures by going to add overlay and go to the pictures. Add my first picture. Right here. Just turn it a little bit. Right there. Then add our other picture. And then put it where I want it to be. Like right here by my name. And not too like close. And then go to layer. And go layer, I think 1. Like this. Yeah. Like that. And I'm just pick the animations. I think I want another picture on this one because it's like kind of dry. But let me see how I like it at the end. So yeah. Wobble for this again. And wobble for this one. Like that. So now you can see how it's working. Just like that. And we're mostly done. I think I want to add a picture, so I'm going to go to pick art, go to plus sign, and add a different picture. I don't know to pick that one. Probably this one. Me mugging, always. Go to person, and let's do our job. I have to. It's going to take a long process, but we will get through it. I will, honestly. So I'm just keep doing this until it's like halfway to how I want it. Okay, almost to how I want it. Okay, preview. It's kind of like it, but like not really. I'm gonna start erasing a little bit of stuff. Comment down below if this is like helpful for you, because I really do want to know. If it is helpful for you, I'm so glad that I helped you out, because a lot of people have been asking me to do a video like this, and I've been wanting to, so now I'm here today doing the video. Excited to do the video. So yeah, just tell me how you like it. There. Save, and let's add an effect. There. Save. Done. And go back into the video. Add overlay. Photos. This one. And this one will be like over here, right here. And add animation, wobble. There. The first video I showed you is like this, but I just add one more picture to it. So yeah, so let's look at it. Period. I like this one. So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down if you want another video like this or of me making a banner. So like I'm saying on my other videos, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys. Mwah. So you wasn't. You lying.
Yeah.
You stay with the cat, bro.
Hey, looking down on that second black bin and get a trash bag. And you should put him in the water with his
Okay, you don't have to do all that.